To advance your English, immerse yourself in the language daily. Start by reading books or articles that interest you. This not only builds vocabulary, but also exposes you to different writing styles. Listening is equally important. Tune into podcasts or watch movies in English. Try to mimic the accents and intonations. It's a fun way to improve your pronunciation. Practice speaking with friends or language partners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Set specific goals, like learning 5 new words a day or writing a short journal entry in English. Use language apps to reinforce your skills and keep track of your progress. Finally, engage with English-speaking communities online. Join forums or social media groups where you can share ideas and get feedback. The more you use the language, the more confident you'll become. Remember, consistency is key. Make English a part of your everyday life, and you'll see improvement in no time.